In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram account private. First of all, go to your Instagram app. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on your menu at the top right side. Scroll to down. Go to account privacy. Under this account privacy, as you can see now, tap on this section to turn on the private account. Tap on this switch to private. So that's it, guys. Now I make my account private. No one can be able now to see my content, my followers, and everything about my account. But if you are using Instagram Lights app, the steps are totally different. So let's go to Instagram Lights app to show you how to make it. After you open your Instagram Lights app, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right side. Tap on this menu again. So tap on this settings in Instagram Lights app. Tap on this where it says privacy, this one. So under this privacy, scroll all the way to down and tap on this account privacy. So as you can see now, here is the option. Tap on this. So now if you tap on this section, now you make your Instagram account private using Instagram Lights app and Instagram app. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.